Lina, 2011 President of JCI Cebu Mactan Channel. JCI member Marjorie Gilig, 2011 President of JCI Cebu Sinulog. JCI member Reeve Kumar, JCI member Cebu Uptown. JCI member Christine Dennis Lim, 2011 President of JCI Subuana. JCI member Joel Sia, 2011 President of JCI Cebu. JCI member Jennifer Tan, 2011 President of JCI Cebu. And lastly but not the least, JCI member, I'm sorry, I can hardly pronounce the name, Gibirlu Lumayag, Regional Vice President of Central Visayas of JCI Philippines.
MJ, and the different guests, representative of different division of Department of Education.
JCI member RJ Bacnay, JCI Philippines National Project Chair of the Youth Leadership Excellence Award. I'd like to give due recognition to the Assistant School Division Superintendent of Mandaue City that is being who is representing Mrs. Virginia Zapanta, Dr. Nimpa Bongo, who, at least I got the name right. Sorry, ma'am. But anyway, to hear the message from our beloved mayor, I'd like to call on
and members of JCs or JCI. Are you still called JCs, right? A long time ago, well, not very long, I was at the Philippine 36 years. I'd like to extend his welcome to you all. Good morning.
JCI member Gibberly. We have Fidel Rijal Sapuya. From Buyong Elementary School, we have Dem Marie Pakipon. From Calpulao Elementary School, we have Lera G. Bernea. Ariane May Amorin. For Mactan Elementary School, we have Angeli Marie. For Changue Elementary School, Maria Savilio. For Indiana Learning Center, we have Waki. May I request our dear parents. For Babag National High School, we have Mayol. For Magike Elementary School, we have to our guests and to the proud parents and teachers of the awardees, good morning once again. I was thinking, 15 years back, kung unsa akong feeling when I was one of the awardee also
of the Wailea. I was so happy then na nakita sa ko sa mga faces of the awardees who are here. And with the so thank you and good morning and congratulations again to all the awardees of the Youth Leadership Excellence Award. We'd like to call on the, but not the least, awardee for the Wailea, Miss Kipper.
YouTube.com.
We were strangers, starting out on a journey, never dreaming what we'd have to go through. Now here we are, and I'm starting at the beginning with you.
No one told me I was going to find you unexpected. What you did to my heart when at home you were there to remind me this is the start. And life is a road, and I wanna keep the river, I wanna keep flowing. Life is a road, now and forever. I'll be there when the world stops turning. I'll be there when the storm is the end. I was standing beginning with you.
We were strangers on a crazy adventure,
Never dreaming how our dreams would come true. Now here we stand, unafraid of the future, at the beginning with you. And life is a road, and I wanna keep going. Love is a river, I wanna keep flowing. Life is a road, now and forever. Wonderful journey. I'll be there when the world stops turning. I'll be there when the storm is through. In the end, I wanna be standing at the beginning.